Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet the Diamond Painting Junkie, and I hope y'all are having a great day so far. I wanted to jump on and make a quick post review video, I guess you could say. If you've seen my previous video of the Paint with Diamonds unbagging, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, go check it out. But I wanted to jump on here and let y'all see how this turned out. Okay, so before I show y'all what it looks like, y'all remember that I did wait for a hot minute to get this, and that I was very aggravated once I did. But it was my own fault because I did the big newbie rookie mistake on buying something without doing your homework as far as the size versus detail. Okay, well, I went ahead and I did it, and let me just show you. Okay. Ugh. Let me say this. As far as quality of the canvas, I had no issues with the canvas. The glue was really sticky, or, well, I guess I should say the double-sided adhesive was good and sticky. I had no issues with any of that. Now, the drills were not uniformed. That was aggravating. I did have some smaller ones. They just weren't uniformed. No trash. So I didn't have any trash. It's just they weren't uniformed. Therefore, if I was to set this on my light pad, there's gaps. But I mean, you can see, of course, I have my light shining right down on this, but the shine is good. I like that it's sparkly, shiny. As far as the drill quantity, that's what I have left over. So, if they said I needed 14 of something, they gave me like 78 of them. So I was good as far as the quantity, because I'll have these left over to put in my storage, which I really need to do some videos on all of that, and I will at some point. But anyway, back to this, sorry. Now, I did have some issues with the symbols. Oh my. And I actually did video a small little video of the symbols before I started working on this. Not all of them were bad, but there were several that were just really horrible. That the light pad did not even help. Some of them I ended up having to basically do like at the very end, because I didn't know. I knew they was going to be in this area because of the color, but it was just a process of elimination. But it was probably because of, there we go again, the size of this painting, which is the 20 by 15, which, if it didn't have all this detail, probably wouldn't be bad. But with this detail, bleh, not good. Not good at all. I hope that I will not ever make that mistake again. I just hope I won't. Because you can tell, well, I should say, you can't tell what this is. It's supposed to be a house. a sunset, the water, a boat, and a boat dock. Okay? I don't know what the purpose in this right here was. I don't know. Here's the thumbnail. If my phone will focus in. Focus, focus. Like I said, it probably would have been a very pretty picture were the size bigger, but I didn't realize that when I first purchased this. So, anyway, this is what it looks like. Not everything, like I said, was bad. The canvas quality's great. The drills, there were no trash. They could have been more uniformed in size. It was just a size thing. Size does matter. I possibly would order from this company again. I'm not saying that it's totally out of the question. I'm just saying that I'm the one that made the size mistake. But other than that, I mean, I really can't gripe about anything. Except for I did have a little mishap. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I was so unhappy. My pen, oh, you're not gonna be able to tell. But anyway, I love this pen. This is the very first pen that I ever purchased, and it's cracked in two places all the way around. Let's see. It's not going to show. But it is so pretty. Or you might be able to see it just a little bit. But, yep, it's cracked in two places. It still works, but, oh, it sucked. But anyway, so, like I said, I just want to jump on here real quick, show y'all what this sucker looked like afterwards. Like I said, pros and cons, man, pros and cons. And I guess, that's it. So, anyway, thanks for watching my video. And if you want to see some more videos, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so that you know when I post something. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.